Even before you step on board, there are silent rules, hidden fees, and sneaky policies that can literally stop you at the gangway. And when that happens, it's not just embarrassing. It can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars and ruin days, sometimes weeks of your vacation. If you skip the advice in this video, you might arrive at the port thinking everything is fine, only to be turned away and left scrambling for a refund, a flight home, or a hotel at 11 p.m. By the time you watch this entire guide, you'll know exactly how to cruise cleaner, safer, smarter, and faster without falling into the traps that deny boarding in 2025. We're breaking this down in phases step by step. Each phase is designed so you can follow along and check off each action before your cruise. Phase 1: Document and Legal Inspection. Purpose: make sure your paperwork is airtight. Nothing kills a cruise faster than missing documents or broken legal requirements. Step 1: Check passport validity. Action: make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your return date. Some ports require it for entry, even if the cruise line doesn't say it. Why it matters: if your passport is expired or close to expiry, immigration at a foreign port can refuse entry. And if you're denied entry, the cruise line may deny boarding entirely. What can go wrong? You think, it's just a few days, they'll let me on. Wrong. You could be stuck in a port with no recourse and a non-refundable cruise. Pro tip: scan your passport and save a digital copy in your phone or cloud. Some cruise lines now verify these before boarding. Step 2: Verify visa requirements. Action: check each port your cruise visits for visa requirements. Some countries now require electronic travel authorizations even for short stays. Why it matters: even one missing or incorrect visa can cancel your boarding. Cruise lines will check before letting you on. What can go wrong? Many passengers assume that because they're on a cruise, visas don't matter. This is no longer true in 2025. Port authorities are stricter than ever. Insider detail: some cruise lines offer a visa check service. Use it. Just because they check doesn't mean they'll fix it for you. Step 3: Health and vaccination compliance. Action: check updated medical requirements, including vaccines and health forms. Some cruises now require proof of vaccinations or recent medical tests. Why it matters: cruise ships operate like small countries. They can deny boarding for anyone who might put others at risk. What can go wrong? You think, I'm healthy, so I don't need these forms. Even a simple missing form can result in denial. Pro tip: bring both a physical and digital copy of your health documents. Crew verify them multiple times. Phase 2: Ticket and payment inspection. Purpose: confirm that your booking is fully valid and complete. Small errors here can cause big problems. Step 1: Confirm ticket type and extras. Action: review your ticket. Some cabins have age or security restrictions. Some add-ons require additional paperwork. Why it matters: you could be denied boarding if you booked a restricted cabin, or if an extra like a beverage package isn't paid in full. What can go wrong? Imagine showing up for a balcony cabin upgrade you didn't pay for fully. Denial or downgrade is possible. Pro tip: screenshot your booking confirmation and all add-ons for reference. Step 2: Verify payment clearance. Action: confirm that your final payment cleared the cruise line. Some banks delay transfers and cruise lines will not allow boarding for unpaid balances. Why it matters: even $1 missing can trigger a no boarding flag. What can go wrong? You think they'll sort it on the spot. In 2025, most lines have automated boarding systems. No payment, no scan, no entry. Insider fact: some passengers were denied boarding on luxury lines in 2025 for payments delayed by less than 48 hours. Step 3: Check name matches exactly. Action: ensure the name on your ID matches the ticket exactly. One wrong initial or hyphen can trigger an alert. Why it matters: cruise lines cross-check passports against tickets. Name mismatches can cause denial. What can go wrong? You arrive confident only to be stopped at check-in for something as small as John A. Doe. Press John Doe. If your name changed recently: marriage, legal name change, do this check early. Lines need time to update records. Phase 3: Bag and security preparation. Purpose: your luggage, carry-ons, and what's in them can affect boarding. Step 1: Follow cruise line baggage rules. Action: check weight limits and prohibited items. This includes liquids, electronics, and even food. Why it matters: security checks are strict. Too many violations or prohibited items can delay boarding or deny entry. What can go wrong? Bringing banned items can cause confiscation or a you can't board until this is resolved situation. Pro tip: cruise lines update banned items every year. In 2025, some lines banned personal drones and smart scooters. Step 2: Pre-label bags correctly. Action: use the ship's provided tags for all checked luggage. Double-check cabin numbers. Why it matters: mislabeling can delay boarding or result in your bag being offloaded. What can go wrong, you think? They'll figure it out. Misplaced luggage can flag security and slow you down. Insider tip: attach a personal ID tag outside your bag. Crew often use it for verification before even scanning. Step 3. Prepare carry-on for security scan action. Pack essentials, documents, electronics, and liquids in compliance with crew's security rules. Why it matters: security checks are not optional. Missed items can trigger secondary screening. What can go wrong? You'll be stuck in a long line while everyone else boards if your bag requires inspection. Pro tip: pack a small folder with all travel and medical documents to keep handy. It speeds everything up. Phase 4. Personal behavior and rules check. Purpose: cruise lines reserve the right to deny boarding for behavior history and risk factors. Step 1. Check criminal record and past conduct action. Disclose any legal issues required by the cruise line. Some lines denied boarding for past arrests, convictions, or restrictions. Why it matters: non-disclosure can result in immediate denial. What can go wrong, you think? Won't matter. Lines have access to international databases now. Pro tip: be upfront with customer service. If you have a past issue, they may allow boarding with proper clearance. Step 2. Verify age restrictions action. Check if your cruise has adult-only cabins, teen programs, or other age-based restrictions. Why it matters: boarding is sometimes refused if passengers misrepresent age. What can go wrong? Families with teens on adult-only cruises or seniors on age-restricted excursions can be denied entry to parts of the ship. Insider fact: in 2025, several luxury lines added stricter adult-only rules during peak season. Step 3. Understand dress and behavior codes action. Review dress code and conduct policies, including prohibited clothing or public behavior. Why it matters: lines may refuse boarding to individuals violating strict onboard policies, especially if there are safety risks. What can go wrong? Assume casual behavior is fine. You could be flagged during check-in if you don't comply. Pro tip: check the ship's 2025 passenger guide online for subtle new rules. These often change quietly year to year. Phase 5. Medical and fitness readiness. Purpose: the ship must verify you are fit for travel. Step 1. Check mobility and fitness requirements action. Review cruise medical forms for physical requirements. Some ships restrict passengers who need intensive medical assistance. Why it matters: boarding may be denied if you cannot safely evacuate in an emergency. What can go wrong? You assume, "I'll manage with a cane." The crew might deny boarding for safety reasons. Pro tip: request special assistance in advance. Cruise lines now pre-approve passengers needing wheelchairs or mobility aids. Step 2. Verify insurance and medical coverage action. Have proof of travel insurance, including coverage for evacuation and pre-existing conditions if required. Why it matters: many lines now require insurance as a condition of boarding. What can go wrong? You arrive thinking your standard card insurance is fine, but you'll be denied. Insider fact: some cruise lines in 2025 started scanning insurance QR codes before boarding. Step 3. Carry emergency medical info action. Bring a card with allergies, medications, and emergency contacts. Why it matters: quick verification can prevent delays at check-in. What can go wrong? Missing or inconsistent info can flag you for secondary medical screening. Pro tip: you store a digital copy on your phone as well. It speeds up clearance in emergencies. Phase 6. Miscellaneous traps and last-minute checks. Purpose: catch anything else that could silently deny boarding. Step 1. Review no-fly or travel restrictions action. Check for travel bans from your home country or ports. Why it matters: authorities can prevent boarding before you even reach the ship. What can go wrong? Assuming domestic flights are fine can be costly if international restrictions apply. Step 2. Avoid duplicate bookings or conflicting cruises action. Make sure you're not on overlapping itineraries with the same cruise line. Why it matters: the system flags multiple active bookings and can prevent boarding. What can go wrong? You'll waste money and time trying to reconcile bookings at check-in. Step 3. Prepare for unexpected weather or port changes action. Keep your cruise line app updated for last-minute notifications. Why it matters: denial isn't always your fault. Some ports may close unexpectedly. Pro tip: have backup plans for transfers or hotel stays. This keeps you calm if denied boarding due to logistics. Phase 7. Traps to avoid mistakes. Don't assume past cruising experience guarantees boarding. Rules change annually. Never rely solely on email confirmations. Print or screenshot critical docs. Avoid last-minute airport arrivals. Lines are strict. Late arrivals are often denied. Never under-declare medical conditions. They'll discover it during check-in, leading to denial. Don't ignore dress, behavior, or age codes. They now scan digitally before boarding.